Hey, it's Renzo Buckingham here again with Family Home Improvements. We're in the city of Garden Grove. We're installing 7 windows, vinyl windows, Anlin Catalina's here today. This job should take about a half a day, 4 to 6 hours, depending on if we run into any trouble. Hey, let's go check it out. All right, let's check out a window. I'm going to help everybody out today and carry a window out there. There it is. It's the heaviest one. I'm just joking. Hey, thank you again for tuning in with this project here in Garden Grove. Stay tuned tomorrow. We're doing a house window project in Fullerton, 6 windows. So if you like windows, look in for the Fullerton window one. Please subscribe, comments, share, follow us on Facebook, Instagram. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in there. I'll be more than happy to answer any of you guys' questions. Thank you.